You're welcome to The Brief, where we bring you key socioeconomic developments and market developments from the previous week and key events to watch in the new week. This is the second full week of October 2022 and the 20.51 trillion naira 2023 budget presented by President Muhammadu Buhari, GCFR, at a joint session of the National Assembly, the last in his tenure, is expected to generate debate on the execution plans, considering the deficit of 6.31 trillion naira. For the economic and market events from last week, President Muhammadu Buhari presented the 2023 budget of 20.51 trillion naira to the joint session of the National Assembly. From the analysis, recurrent expenditure will go up 8.21 trillion naira, while the capital expenditure will receive the allocation of 5.15 trillion naira. Debt servicing cost will be 6.31 trillion naira. The October 2022 edition of the World Bank report, titled Africa's Polls downgraded Nigeria's 2022 GDP growth outlook by 0.5% to 3.3% due to an underperforming oil sector. According to the report, the challenges in the oil and gas sector will also account for an elevated government deficit over the forecasting horizon, increasing debt pressure to 102.3% of GDP by the end of 2022. On the brighter note, the current account balance is expected to improve from an account deficit of minus 0.4% of GDP in 2021 to a surplus of 1.1% in 2022. The Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited announced that it recorded a profit of 674.1 billion naira in 2021 financial period. The positive result came as global economies continue to struggle with the recessionary forces and weak economic outlook. For the market roundup for week ended 7th October 2022, the key highlights revealed the following. The equities market recorded negative performance as the listed equities market NGX ASI recorded a loss of minus 3.41% week on week, and the NSE OTC closed negative with a minus 1.06% loss. The AFEX rate closed positive and the AFEX rate closed negative. The BDC rates closed negative. The Brent crude oil price and WTI crude oil price moved up at the end of the week. The FMDQ debt market size closed positive, while the AFEX SCI closed flat and the AEI index closed negative. From what to expect from the markets this week, published by ProShare, from the money market, ProShare analysts expect funding rates should continue to edge higher in the absence of any major inflows. For the Treasury bills market, analysts expect the market to sustain a similar trend this week in the absence of any major drivers. While in the secondary market, ProShare analysts expect activities in the new week to be dictated by market liquidity situation. Looking at the economic, financial and capital market events to watch in the new week, the Lagos Ehingbetti Summit, which is the biggest subnational economic event in Nigeria, is scheduled for Tuesday, October 11th and Wednesday, October 12, 2022. The conference is themed Lagos 2022 to 2052, Charting the Path to Sustainable Economic Growth. Still on Tuesday, October 11th, the Ike Imokwede Foundation will host a conversation with Professor Stefan Dekon, Professor of Economics, University of Oxford, on his book, Gambling on Development, While Some Countries Win and Others Lose. Former President, His Excellency Olusegun Obasanjo, is chairman of the event, while Professor Atairu Jega and Mrs. Ifueko Omoigbo Karu will moderate the session. Time of the event is 10:30 a.m. and venue is Becker Hotel. To mark its first year anniversary, Enterprise NGR will on Wednesday, 12th of October 2022, launch the maiden edition of its annual publication titled The State of Enterprise Report. Time for the event is 10 a.m. BudgiT will be launching the 2022 State of the States Report at Transcorp Hilton Hotel, Abuja on October 13th, 2022, with the theme Sustainable Governance Reforms for a New Era. Time for the event is 10 a.m. On Friday, October 14th, 2022, AFEX Commodities Exchange will launch its multi-grain processing plant on Zaria Kano Highway, Kaduna State. Time for the event is 10 a.m. And that'll be all for this edition of The Brief. You can join our website www.proshare.co to read our news stories, reports, and watch our videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great week, and please stay safe.